Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, my name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. But before I get started, I want to just tell you all, please like and share. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. Today I'm going to show you all how to make 2 rings, and you can make these rings really quick, really fast, and with one technique. Okay, so here are the items that you're going to need for this here DIY. You're going to need a pair of wire cutters, a pair of round nose pliers. These are 3-in-1 round nose pliers, and 2 pieces of aluminum 12 gauge aluminum wire. One piece is 15 inches long and another piece is 12 inches long, okay, to make these rings. Okay, so the very first ring that I'm going to do for you all is I'm going to show you all how to make the ring using the 15 inches long. So you want to bring your pieces together. You want to bend it just like this and bring it together and squeeze this together just like this with whatever you have. If you have any type of tools, pliers, whatever you have. Now I'm going to bring in these flat nose pliers. If you have them, bring them on in, and I'm going to just come and squeeze this in just like this. I'm trying to do it in a way so that y'all can see me work. Okay. All right, so I squeeze these 2 together. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so once you pinch your piece together, okay, then you want to go in with your, these are, like I said, 3-in-1. I have some flat in the middle, and you just want to try to make it as flat as possible. Okay, just squeezing it just like this to try to make it flat as possible. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to start molding it to fit your finger. So you got to figure out which finger you're going to be wearing this ring on, because whatever finger you choose is the finger that you're going to be wearing it on. Okay, whatever finger that is. You also want to take your pliers, round nose 3-in-1 pliers, and you want to make sure that you go in and just bend your wire at the end, okay? And it's a reason for me doing that, so that once you put it on your finger to fit it, it will snug up against your finger, okay? So this is pretty much what you should have. Now I'm going to take my finger and put it in to see where it fits, to see if it's comfortable for me, and it is. So I'm going to take this off, and I'm just going to take this piece, both pieces, and bring them just like this to the side. I'm going to open this one up and bring this one over to the side. Now, as you are doing this process, you might want to go and keep trying it on to make sure it's comfortable, so that it, you want it to fit. You want it to pretty much be perfect on your finger. Okay, and this ring is adjustable. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down on one end, and I'm just going to give it both sides a little bit of indentation, just like this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to roll. I'm going to take. Okay, so I'm going to make a loop down the bottom, and I'm just going to go ahead and make some spirals. Now, if you have a pair of nylon pliers, you can do that with your nylon pliers. If you hear someone, that's my grandson upstairs fussing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some spirals. And as I'm making my spirals, I am also, giving my piece a little indentation. You don't have to do this completely on the whole ring if you don't want to. And then I'm just going to take my finger and go in, and I'm going to continue to make my spirals all the way down on my ring, just like that. I'm going to continue to rolling it down and rolling it down. All right, until we get till about right here. Okay, and that's what you're going to have. Bring that over a little bit. And then we're going to do this side the same way we did this side. So I'm going to come up to the top and make a loop. Give it some indentation. Okay. And just like I said, if you don't want to, you don't have to give it any indentation. You can just make your spirals. Okay. So I'm just going to continue to make my spirals on this side, and it's pretty much going to be going the same way the first one. Okay. All right. And here you have it. Now, if you want to, you can make this could be the ring of your choice. You can keep this like this. That's if you want to. Okay. This is just another design that you can have from one technique, okay? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my piece and I'm going to flip it over just like this, okay? And this is my choice, my ring choice right here. This is the ring that I want, okay? And this is the ring. Okay, but like I said, if you want to, you can leave it that way that I showed you. It's like 2-in-1 rings, but this is the ring that I wanted to do. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do for your next ring, you're going to bend this in half also, just like this. You want to squeeze it. Okay, and then you want to just take your pliers and go in and squeeze it in together. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my 3-in-1 round nose pliers and go in and flatten it down a tad bit. Okay. All right, so I'm going to move this finger. I'm going to put that ring on this finger, okay? And I'm just going to bend this a little bit. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this one the same way. I'm going to start molding it to fit my finger, just like this. All right. And I just got to decide on what finger I want this on. And I always put my my rings on my index finger, y'all. For some reason, I don't know why, but I do. I wear a lot of my rings on my index finger. So I'm just checking and making sure. And I'm going to take these and just pinch that down a little bit more. Now the next thing I'm going to do, just checking y'all, is I'm going to open this up just like this on both sides. And I'm going to pinch this over, both pieces over, okay? Pinch both of them. And then I am going to just take and start making my design that I want on my ring. So I'm gonna come to about right here, and I'm gonna bend it right here, just like this. And then I'm gonna go and give it some indentation. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to bend it here. Wait a minute. Bend it down like that. And then go back in and give it a little bit more indentation. Okay, I hope you all are following me. Hope I'm not moving too fast. Now I'm going to bend it right here on this side. So I'm going to bend it here like that. I'm gonna push that piece up, and I'm just gonna go and give it some indentation. Okay, and then I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna bend it here like this, so you all can see. Give it some indentation. And then I'm gonna come to the top and make a loop like this. I'm going to give it some indentation here, and then I'm just going to continue to roll that just like this, a spiral. So I need my fingers to do this. Okay. All right. So this is what you're going to have so far. And then you're going to start on this side. And you're going to, now with this ring, you have a choice. You can wear it however you want. You can switch it up and wear it one way and then wear it another way. And I'm going to explain that to y'all once I get this together. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a loop at the top, just like this. And I'm going to give it a little bit more indentation. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and start my spirals. All right. And I don't want my spirals to be too close together. So I'm leaving a little bit of space in between. I hope you can see that. Just a little bit of space in between as I'm wrapping it. Okay. All right. And here we have it. And this is your ring. Okay. Now I have to fit my finger, so I'm going to roll that over a tad bit more so it can be even. Okay. And here it is. So what I meant was, you can wear this two different ways. You can wear it like this, or you can turn it, and you can wear it like this with this piece. However you choose to wear it is going to be completely up to you. But you have yourself two beautiful rings. Okay? So, with that being said, make plenty, plenty, plenty. Happy crafting. And for those of you who are new, if this is your very first time visiting this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. Have a wonderful and awesome day, ladies and gentlemen. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.